In a previous lesson, we learned how to build and publish this blog page. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to use your custom domain. In order to do that, you have to log into your domain provider. It can be GoDaddy or any other company where you bought your domain, and search for DNS management for your website. Once you have that, you should search for a place which allows you to create new record. As you can see here, I can add some new records. It should look pretty similar to what you can see on my screen right now, so you should be able to add different type of records for your domain. Now let's see how to add this domain using andrewsmith.tk example. So what you have to do, you have to add new record, which will be type A. In the name record, you provide your domain name. So it can be empty by default. So in this case, just provide your domain name here. And in the target location, just type this IP address, 93.105.88.216. If you want to use your domain with the SSL certificate, you can navigate to Docs and Custom Domains, External Domains, where you're going to find different IP address. So for the domains with the SSL, you should use this IP address. If you don't have SSL certificate, you should use this domain. Please also note that for connecting the subdomain like blog.andrewsmith.tk, we should configure CNAME instead of a record. But for the sake of this tutorial and for most of the use cases, you will be using a record. So if you want to use SSL, use this IP. If you don't want to use it, then you should choose this one. So like in our case, I added this record to the configuration and click Save the Changes. Now, once you have it added, go back to MDB Go dashboard, find your project, click on the name here and navigate to domain. As you can see, currently this is the address of our blog, but if I'm gonna edit now, I can provide address of our new domain. Now save the changes, click Update Domain. The last thing we have to do is to publish our project again. So get back to our project and type MDB publish. Once it's published, you can already notice that it's using a new domain which you just connected. Now, if we navigate to this page, we can see that our blog is available now under our custom domain.